This is the issue we have with the car when it's close to this door. Hear that? It's just locking and keeps trying to lock itself because this key is near the comfort access and it keeps thinking that I'm trying to unlock it or lock it. Tools you need for this job are a T15 Torx and also a trim removing tool if you've got one, and a little flat blade. So what we're going to remove first of all is this bung here. That's what you're going to put your Torx on, your T15 Torx. And the good news is there's a little retaining clip around it, so when you unscrew it, it's not going to drop into the door. Okay, so I've just unwound that until it stops. You can just pull that out now and pull it back. Okay, so now we pulled that out, you can see that there are two connectors. One of them, lights, and that is the one with just two wires to it. And the other one for the comfort access are the four colours there. So we're going to disconnect that using our little flat blade screwdriver. Lift that tab and pull it out. So all we need to do is stuff the disconnected connector into the hole and then slot this back in and wind back in the T15 Torx and pop your bung back on. All right, nice and easy. And good news is, with that disconnected, you can still lock and unlock your door, but it will not keep locking and unlocking when the key is near it. So that's it fixed.